Hi, this is Adam, a small town machine shop, and today's adventure, as you can see, this muffler has an issue. This muffler is kind of expensive, and we had to order it, and the mower's in here for the other work too. You saw me doing the spindles on it. So out here, we're gonna throw a patch on it to get them by. Now this, of course, is very thin. So we're gonna go ahead and do the full, even though this is just, knowing him, he's gonna tell me this is temporary, but every time this comes in here for years, this patch will still be on there. So we're gonna drill the ends of the cracks, kind of fold this down. There's a big section of it missing, but we'll kind of get it as flush as we can. And I got some pretty thin wall pipe. I think I can might just be big enough to cut a section out of. And I got lucky. The exhaust bolts came extra loose. I didn't spray them or soak them or nothing because when you work in the field, you don't have time for that stuff. So I got them all broke loose. Should probably go buy a lotto ticket. And these ones just had a nylock nuts to hold it on. So let's get this thing off and over to a place where we can cut our patch, and let's get going. Now this is probably too thin just to weld, and you wouldn't want to do that anyway. So we're gonna put a patch on it. Okay, I'll bring you back. Okay, so I got the muffler off, and the gasket even is still good. Got this piece of, I think it's 5-inch tubing, really good match. So what we'll do is we'll cut ourselves a patch out of that guy. So it won't take much to, roll it over. So let's get that done, then we can clean this up best we can, and we'll start welding. Okay, we've got everything prepped. I just need to come in here. I'm gonna go in here and drill a hole. This is so thin. Drill that hole out, and there's just a little bit of a crack right there. I'll drill that. Got our patch made, cleaned up, rounded corners. Hey, clean everything up best we could, gives the best chance possible. This is a patch on a muffler, but we still want to do our due diligence on everything we do here. So get it tacked, and then I'll get you set up on the tripod and you can watch me weld. So, as thin as this is, we're basically I'm gonna be MIGging this. Come into here and just dip down just a little bit. It's like welding on thin wall pipe. Very, very thin wall. Out here it's not so bad, but I can flex this a little bit. I don't know how the baffles are set up in here. Yeah, I'll get this tacked in place. We'll go just do the best job we can with it. Again, temporary repair. We're welding a patch on a muffler. So let me get you set up and you can watch me weld. Okay, we're done. Man, that's thin. That's thin and dirty. It's so thin on the edges, it was pulling stuff through and it got boiling and stuff. We had to go slow because it's so thin. It was distorting everywhere and opening up. So, not super pretty, but, it's a patch on a muffler. It'll more than suffice, and we'll give it a nice coat of super heat resistant paint so it won't epically rust. But yeah, we are good to go. So again, this is one of those repairs I wouldn't normally do, but it's here and he's gonna order one. And I would have I was in position enough, I could have welded this on the mower, but I don't want to show me doing that because then people will do that, and And actually, as thin as this was, it was nice to have it so I could move it into position and stuff, because, yeah, it was really thin. And dirty on the inside, of course. It's a muffler. So not only was it thin, but it was pulling stuff through the whole time. But we got her. Okay, this is Adam from Small Town Machine Shop. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.